Today I am going to show how to animate the bearing. Okay, let's start. It is completely made a bearing with assembly. How to make a bearing and how to assembly the bearing. I already given link about how to make bearing and how to assembly the bearing. If you want to know this, just check the below description. Okay, let's start. Now at first just right click and go to this toolbar and just click this motion manager and just click. Now just click this motion manager, motion study 1 and 2. Actually at first I make it, that's why it is showing motion study 2. Just click this motion study and just click this expand motion manager. Actually I make this, that's why it is showing. Just I will create new, just create new motion study. Okay, now we will start this new. Okay. At first just go to this settings and I will choose this 30 frames per second and just click OK. Now just at first I will click this key for 5 second, just I will keep it 16. Keep it 16. Just I will go to this motor. Just click this motor and go to this. Just choose this rotary motor and choose this component and direction. Just I will choose this component direction. Just scroll down. Just I will choose this 100 rpm speed. Okay, then just click this OK. Yes, now check this play from start. Just click this. Now see, it is rotating. Okay, now you can change this you can change this speed. Just I will click this into 2. Just again click this, click play. Now see, it is starting with this fast. Yes, now animation wizard, just click this animation wizard and choose this rotate model. Just click next and choose this y axis, number of rotation you can change. I will keep this 5. Choose this clockwise and just click next and choose this duration. I will choose this 15 or 16. Start time, just I will choose this 00 start time and just click finish. Now just play it, click this play. Now see, you can just speed. Just I will choose this 0.5 into this. Just again click this play. Now see, it is playing. Now see, okay. Then if you want to this anything hide, you can hide this. Suppose I will hide this ball bearing, just keep here, and there are ball bearing inner ring and ball belt outer ring. Just click and right click and go to this hide. Just I will hide this. Now see, it is hide with this. Just again click this, and now I will play this. Now see, play it. Now see, it is playing. Okay, again I will right click and just show. Then I will choose this inner ring, just click and right click and just click hide. Now again just click play. Now playing it. Now see this animation. Yeah, okay. Thank you for watching.